how to log out from Bluesky account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Bluesky account. To do so, first of all, open your Bluesky application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the top left, you will be able to see 3 horizontal bars. Tap on those 3 horizontal bars and then you will be able to see the side menu. From the side menu, here at the bottom, you will be able to locate settings option. Simply tap on the settings option and this will take you to the settings page now. In the settings page, here you'll be able to locate sign out option, which is just below add account option. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then you will see you have successfully been logged out of your Bluesky account. Now if you want to sign in back to your account, you will need to tap on the sign in button right here and use your credentials in order to log in or sign in to your account. So by following this step, you should be able to log out from your Bluesky account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.